Hello everyone, my name is Chris and today I'm going to be talking about the Buck Knife Ranger. So basically, the Buck Knife Ranger it's a pocket watch and a pretty sharp pocket watch. A lot of companies don't make really sharp ones in my opinion. Buck makes a really sharp pocket knife. It even came in this pouch, this carrying pouch with a nice little strap. Here. Let's first talk about actually the pouch itself. The pouch is made out of leather, it's very good leather. The stitching is quite amazing on the sides to keep the pocket watch, pocket knife intact. It's a nice little strap that you could easily put on your belt to have it for safekeeping. The logo is very nice with the buck engraved inside of it with the nice little buck button. Now to open it up, basically you just need to put some force here to get the button to open. It's quite sturdy. It's quite heavy too, which is a good thing. So it won't easily open up in your pocket knife. Won't easily fall out of place. And now let's actually talk about the product itself, the pocket knife. Alright, so I don't know why there's this green on the pocket knife. That when you buy yours, when I bought it 4 months ago. It did not have this green. I don't know why it has this green. So it could possibly be due to the fact that I don't use it too much, and then it just fades away. Or it could be something else, but definitely it did not have this green or bluish color when I bought it. So let's talk about the pocket knife itself just by the feel. It has this very nice metal tips, metal tips. It's painted gold. In the middle, it's this hard wood. It's painted on. I'm pretty sure it's oak, but it's painted on and it's been stained black. Now to actually open up the knife, it's like a standard like any standard pocket knife. So I'll show you how to open it. So to open it, you need to first hold two ends on these little edges here. This is for your fingers. Your fingers go. You hold it. And then you hold it in place. Normally you do not want to be doing this with one hand. It's a very bad idea. You normally want it with two, so your fingers don't touch the blade. But otherwise, yes, this is a standard way of opening the pocket knife, and it has this very cool logo here of the Buck 112V. I don't know what 112V is, and it's been manufactured in the USA. And now if you would want to, and now let me get paper. Let me get paper right now so I can show you how well it works. Like I said, I don't use it too often, so it should be pretty sharp. Otherwise, you'd want to sharpen it. So, I don't know if the paper is necessarily the best to use to showcase it, but there, just made a little dent, just without effort, without even effort, just right there. Another dent, another scuff, and there you go. Add more force to it. Got a little bit. Add more force to it, and bam! This thing is very deadly. And to lock the pocket knife in place, what you want to do is right here where this weird dip is. You want to hold and apply a lot of force, and then hold one and take your hand like that with one end and just push it forward slightly, just a little bit. And then now what you can do, the way I do it, is take the entire ends and close it, and it snaps into place. It's very nice. So just for size comparison, this is a pocket knife, and this is a $1, a US $1 bill note. This is the size, so it is very small, which is a good aspect in that it's very portable and very stealthy. So if you're ever in the woods, or you just want to be very safe, you could even put this in your pocket. Although it's not recommended, you totally could put it in your pocket. And just to showcase the thickness of the pocket watch, here's the $1 bill note again. If I lay it flat, you could see it's not that thick either. Let me put it back. And as far as I know, this is not the only color you could get the pocket knife in. There's more colors. There's one where it isn't stained, so you get the plain oak, or you could get it in silver. And Buck also makes a ton of other pocket knives. I know they make pocket knives. I think they make weapons as well as in guns, but I am not sure. So don't take my word for it. But for sure, they make a lot of quality pocket knives. And if I were to buy a pocket knife, I would buy one from Buck. They make single-handedly the best pocket knives I've ever seen, with very good quality, and they even thought of bringing in the pouch, and packaging was very great too. So that was my review. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and hopefully you gained some insight. Thanks.